girly, you got it, you know that I want it. As soon as you walk through, I knew that you'll be perfect for me. Perfection, that's what you blessed with. Ain't no other girl I'm tryna get next to. Ooh, cause I mess with the way you look through them eyes, your pretty face and them thighs. I'm so intrigued by your mind, and not to mention your style, baby. I'm falling, I don't think I'ma get back up. I can be your dirt, you can be my day slow for tell them back up.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these super cute purple box braids. So I was inspired to do this particular color by Amour Jayda. So basically she had like dark pink in the back and then this light pink right here in the front. And I didn't necessarily want to do a colored wig, so I figured like why not do colored box braids, like put a little spin on it, do a different color, and instead of doing a wig, do braids. So that is what inspired me to do my braids like this, y'all. The only difference is I'm pretty sure she didn't have color in the back, but I had to buy 2 packs of this hair, and I'm like, let me just put the rest in the back, and then I'll do my little streak in the front. So this is it, y'all. I am in love with these braids, and I've been getting so many compliments. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so this is how the parting of my hair looks. I wanted to do medium size box braids, so this is how I parted my hair. I will have a link down below. If you did not see my parting video, it'll be there so you can see exactly how to part. So this is the hair that I'm using. I'm not sure this brand, I just got it from a local beauty supply store, but it's in the color violet. And then I'm also using this RastAfri braiding hair in the color Deep Purple, and it's just this super cute dark purple color. And I use 6 packs of the dark purple and 2 packs of the light purple. So as you'll see in my parting video, I did use rubber bands to section off my hair, but girl, I was doing the first 2 braids in the back and it was just pulling at my hair. I'm like, no, I have to take these out. So what I'm doing here is just adding my moisturizer of choice to my hair so that it is nice and moist while it's in the braids. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my hair and section it into 1/3 and 2/3. And then I'm going to loop those 2 pieces together and make my 3 braiding sections. So after you're done with that, you can go ahead and start to braid your hair. I know this is not the best angle, but I am going to be doing this, I think 2 or 3 more times in the video, so you'll get to see it from different angles. But you're literally just going to start braiding the hair into your hair. And then once you braid down a little bit, you can go ahead and add some holding product. And I use this Shine and Jam, and it has an orange cap. And so I just apply that to my ends so that they're not so puffy and don't stick through the braid. And after you do that, you're just going to continue to braid all the way down till the end of the hair. And once you do that, you can go on to the next section. So again, I'm applying my moisturizer, and then I'm going to grab the braiding hair, split it into 1/3 and 2/3, and loop it together. Then after I do that, I have my 3 sections for the braid, and I'm going to start braiding. And basically all you're doing is grabbing 1/3 of your hair on the first loop. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to explain. But you're basically putting 1/3 of your hair to 1/3 of the braiding hair. So I have 3 sections of braiding hair, and then I'm going to add a little bit to one section, pull through a little bit to the next section, pull through, and then the remainder to the last section. Hopefully that makes sense. Like I said, I do have more footage of me braiding and gripping the root, excuse me, so you guys can see a little bit better how to actually attach the braiding hair to your hair. But once you get it, it's super duper easy. And so like I said, I used 6 packs of the dark purple and 2 packs of the light purple, and I did 6 braids per pack. So that would have left me with 48 braids, but I only had 43, so I had a little bit of hair left over. So here I am once again pulling out the rubber band, and you're going to see a little bit better how to actually apply the hair. And I'm just showing you no hair came out, so you don't have to worry about the rubber bands pulling your hair out. So here I am sectioning the hair, and then you can see much better how you actually attach this braiding hair to your hair. So like I said, 3 sections of your natural hair and 3 sections of the braiding hair, and you're putting 1 section to 1 section. So here I'm grabbing the first third, and now here I'm gonna grab the second third, and now here, after I detangle, here I'm gonna grab the last third. So now at this point, all your hair should already be braided up into the braiding hair, and you can just do an individual single braid all the way down to the end. So I've been talking this whole entire time, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys just watch me braid this next braid, and hopefully you are catching on.
Yeah, you know that I always got you. Yeah. Now I'ma hold you down now. Yeah, you know that I always got you. Yeah.
I want you, girl, I cruise and I roll through my town. Is you rolling with me? And I'd be good if you holding me down. Cause you're perfect for me. You're perfect for me. Yeah, you're perfect for me. Hey, this my baby and she perfect for me. You're perfect for me. Yeah, you're perfect for me. Hey, this my baby and she perfect for me. All I want is you, girl, me and you against the world. Hey, hey, hey. I lose my mind when I start thinking about you, girl. Hey, so don't you think I'll be lying to you, baby? I'm driving you crazy. I just can't go a day without you. That's why.
So yeah, you guys, that is gonna conclude this video. I hope that you loved it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Yeah, and if you do want to get notified when I upload, definitely be sure to hit that bell notification sign so that you can be a part of the notification gang, girl, because you need to see the video first, okay? You're special. If you want to be special and see the video first, honey, make sure you click that bell symbol, okay? So yeah, thank you guys so much again for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.
This my baby and she perfect for me.
I know what you like, I do.